All right, welcome back, COSA 1 and 601, folks. Professor Almeida here. Happy Thursday, everyone. And as soon as I'm done recording this video, I will be in the live chat from 9 till noon Pacific time today if you have questions. So I want to talk about the game plan for week 5, which opens on Monday. For those of you who have already finished up your first 2 chapters of Excel, sorry, you're going to have to wait. But if you are behind on your Word projects and quizzes, I will still be accepting them late with a 10% grade reduction. Remember that training sims do have to be turned in on time, folks. Think of them as your participation in the class. So on that note, let's go ahead, take a look here in Canvas. And again, weeks 5 and 6 will open together Monday, September 23rd at midnight. For those of you who are up late and you just want to get a head start. So for week 5, we're going to be wrapping up Excel, and we're actually covering 3 chapters here. So you'll see we have Excel chapters 3, 4, and 5 covering formulas, large worksheets, and then finally charts and data. Okay, for chapter 4 on large worksheets, we're also going to learn how to manage our Excel workbook as well. So let's say that you have large worksheets, or maybe you have multiple worksheets. How do you work with them? How do you get certain worksheets to print on one page? You'll learn some of those techniques. But here's the game plan. You'll notice that there is no skill review for chapter 3. Okay, so online, folks, as before, you're just basically going to go through the Chapter 3 training. You'll work on your Chapter 4 and 5 training. There is one project, though, for Chapter 4. You can see there's a walkthrough video provided for that. And then finally, with your quiz, it's only going to cover Chapters 3 and 4. So face-to-face, folks, my Monday, Wednesday class, here's what's going to happen. When you come in on Monday, we're going to go through Chapter 3 together in class. And again, with these training sims, they shouldn't take you very long. And then in your downtime, you're going to work on your chapter 4 and 5 training. Now, I'm not going to expect you to finish it. Okay, again, this is for the face-to-face folks. And then on Wednesday, we will go over SR 4.1 together in class. You'll go back and finish your chapter 4 and 5 training, and then you also have your quiz. Remember, what you don't finish in class becomes homework, and then online, folks, you're just basically going through the assignments and knocking them out. Okay, remember, we don't have scheduled class meetings for asynchronous classes, so it's on you to make sure that you finish your assignments on time. And as you can see with your Excel assignments, they will be due on Sunday, September 29. Now, for those of you who managed to finish week 5, week 6 will be open, and you'll see that we will finish up with Microsoft PowerPoint, and then right after that you have your finals. So if you can believe it, we're just about halfway done with the course. Okay, those 8 weeks are going to come and go very quickly. So on that note, have a good weekend. Let's make sure that we are staying caught up in the class. And oh, by the way, I did send out Starfish kudos and flags. So if your grade at the time was 70% or better, you received a kudos for meeting course expectations. But if your grade was below 70%, you did get an academic progress concern. If you are contacted by a student success coach or a counselor, please take advantage of those resources. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you around.